Hi parents, so us as third grade teachers wanted to give you some tutorial videos this year on spelling, just so you kind of have an idea of what to do at home with your kids. So what we've been working on up to this point is closed vowels, and just kind of want to go through what that process is. Your kids are learning that in every syllable there has to be at least one vowel. Closed vowels are when there are letters after the vowel within the syllable. So in the word cats, there is a T and an S after the A. So we say that that vowel is closed. So we usually put this little C underneath to indicate that it's closed. We put one of these little short vowel sound symbols, breathe, breve, whatever you want to call it, above the letter. So your child then knows that that is a short sound. So from last week, these were three of our words: address, excellent, pencil, and we have these divide and conquer rules. So when your kid comes to a word in their spelling, the first thing that we want them to do is to find the vowel. So we usually put little dots underneath. So in this case, the A and the E. And then there's a list of rules to go with it. We look at the consonants between. In this case, there's D, D, R. So there's three consonants between, which means our rule that we're going to be using for that is right here. Find the blend and divide after. So either our syllable break is going to be between the two D's or between the D and the R. Well, the D and the R makes the dr blend, so we're going to make our syllable break right here. So now we know that this word has two syllables. There are two vowels in the word. The first syllable then is AD. We know that there's a D after the A, which makes that a closed vowel and a short sound. A. Our second syllable, this D-R-E-S-S, there are two letters after the vowel E. It is also closed. It gets the short symbol and says the at sound. So address, address. Same thing here with excellent. We dot the vowels, E, E, E. We look at our divide and conquer rules over here. We know if there's three vowels, there's going to be at least three syllables. So between the first two E's, we have X and C. We go to our rules here, two consonants, divide between them. Simple as that. We have two consonants between the two E's. We look at our list over here. There are two consonants that are the same. We divide between them. So we know this word has three syllables. We look at syllable number one, the E and the X. There is a letter after the E, which makes our E closed. Short symbol. We go to the second syllable, C-E-L. There is an L after the E, which means that it is what?
Closed.
Closed. Thanks, Mrs. Stanford. And short symbol. Same thing here with our third syllable. There are consonants after the vowel, making this closed as well. So then our word is pronounced phonetically excellent. Excellent. You build it together, excellent. And then lastly, see if you can do it on your own briefly with your child next to you. I'll give you a second to do that. So what you and your child should have come up with was dot the vowels, E, I. Look at the rule. There's two consonants between. Two consonants divided between them. First syllable is closed because there is a consonant after the E, short sound. Second syllable, the I is closed as well because there is a consonant after the I, short sound. Put it together, pencil, pencil. So that's just a very quick synopsis of what our divide and conquer rules are, and specifically the closed vowels. Thanks for watching. Any questions? Feel free to call any of us. Thanks.